So, what do you think of it? We all have fallen in love with the black tread here, but...
Yeah, I really like the way it feels. It kind of has a little bit of weight when you're turning it, but it still turns really smoothly. And it looks really pretty. I like the design. And it kind of throws you off at first because of all the black, so it makes you think just a little bit more.
Yeah, because the black is usually the background color, so it's all reversed. Yeah, I noticed that too. With my other speed cube, it moves so fast that my fingers can't keep up with it, and I usually go more turns than I intend to. This one, it moves easily, but it has just enough stick that you don't go so far. I agree. Okay, awesome. Thanks.
Thank you.
Quick. That was my phone.
You just missed it. Person there, person there. Now I gotta wait for Schmidt. That guy had it before I saw it.
We should put an editational clock here.
All done? Good job. Wait. No, don't mess it up again. He's got to